Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by email for tags on your PC. With the recent update, staying informed about your Facebook tags has become even easier. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon, which represents your notifications. Click on this icon to open the Notifications drop-down menu. Next, in the Notifications drop-down, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various notification preferences. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the Tags section. This is where you can control how you're notified when someone tags you in a post, photo, or comment. Look for the email option within the tag section. Now, here's the crucial step. Enable the email option for tags. Simply toggle the switch next to email to the on position. By doing this, you're telling Facebook to send you an email notification whenever someone tags you. And that's it. You've successfully set up email notifications for tags on Facebook using your PC. From now on, you'll receive an email alert whenever someone tags you, ensuring you never miss an important mention. Remember, you can always return to this settings page to adjust your preferences if you find you're receiving too many notifications or want to change any other settings. Facebook gives you the flexibility to customize your notification experience to suit your needs. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by email for tags. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and updates. Have a great day.